everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today we're going to do a little video. We're going to make a little flower pumpkin. And this is going to be a very easy project. And I don't think I'm going to be talking through this one. I'm a little tired and my voice may seem a little raspy today. John is doing well. The procedure went amazing. We did spend the night, but it's all good. Everyone's doing well. So let's make a pumpkin today. You know there are many ways you can use fresh pumpkin arrangements, and they're not just for the dining table. You can place one right by your front door to greet your guests, or even on a coffee table to bring a little bit of nature indoors. They make such thoughtful hostess gifts too. Just a little ribbon and a note, and you've got something truly special and homemade. Just think, for Thanksgiving, you can line up a few of these down the center of your table and then give each guest a mini one to take home with them. Here's another idea. Once the flowers fade, you can press a petal or two on the leaves and preserve them in some resin as a keepsake. That way a simple pumpkin arrangement becomes a lasting memory. However you decide to use them, it's all about bringing warmth, color, and a little creative joy into your home and into your heart. Instead of flowers, you can use some dried grasses and wheat and lavender for a rustic twist.
Oh, what a joyful feeling. I think I'm gonna stay here under all these rays and soak up the sun. Ooh, we long for Viva la Vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya, a bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see ya. And we learn from our mistakes, and we grow from what breaks us. We let it take its time. We long for Viva la Vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya, a bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see ya. Viva la Vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya. Viva la Vida. A bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to see ya. Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us end. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children, acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Oh, life keeps on moving. It's cold. Yes, life goes on changing. That we didn't fall apart harder than we did.
Okay, so this is my live pumpkin today, and it's a small one, but as you can see, she really looks quite pretty, and she's all fresh, and she just took two little bunches from Trader Joe's. I think they were $3.99 each. Now, of course, if you wanted to add a few extra flowers in there, I just grabbed 2 bunches. I thought that was going to be enough. I was quite surprised when she took so much more. Now, I have these little fake flowers here, and if you can add these in to fill it up if you wanted, or you can add them up on top to fill it in up there. Now, I'm not going to do that on mine, but I'm just showing you if you wanted to fill in a little bit, that you can do it. And it looks just as pretty. You can just fill that in a little and show you. These here came from a gift one time. Of course, you know I had to save it. So, let's see. Yeah, there we go. We have a little extra flowers in there. There you go. But she is pretty, isn't she? Okay, and that's a quick project. I grabbed some leaves from outside, and I have 1 red pepper in here, and that's for John because he grows red peppers outside. And this plant has been around for about 4 or 5 years, and they're only supposed to last a year, so go figure that one out. So I hope you enjoyed this little pumpkin, and I'm going to show you my pumpkin at the end that I did last week at my daughter's house, because this was her idea when she was delivered a whole bunch of pumpkins from Walmart for her party last week, and the stems were missing, and she didn't know what she was going to do because she was going to use them for pumpkin carving. And she goes, now what am I going to do? She didn't want to return them, so she came up with this, and I thought it was such a great idea, and I thought I would share it with you all, and I'll show you some pictures of those pumpkins that were done last week, and they were all beautiful. She had really big flowers in them. I just grabbed these. I really thought this was going to be enough because she had big pumpkins, and this is one of those really miniature ones. So thank you for coming, Please remember, our breast cancer collaboration is going to start on Wednesday. It's going to be Wednesday and Thursday. I'll put the trailer at the end of this video. And John is doing well. Just want you all to know that. Thank you for all the prayers and all your well wishes and your thoughts. And I give them all back to you in triple. Have a great day, everyone. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Have a great week, everyone. And Aisha Crafty Kids Club is following me. After a few glamour shots and the trailer for our collaboration.
The sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold, and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
October 29th and 30th, a community of incredible creators from around the world come together with love, light, and pink beyond the ribbon. Through art, storytelling, and heartfelt connection, we honor those we've lost and loved, celebrate those who continue to fight with courage and grace, and rejoice with those who have overcome and found healing. In this video, you'll see our wall of names, each one representing a life, a story, and a reason why awareness and compassion matter. Please consider donating if you can. Together we create a purpose we remember with love, and we stand united beyond the ribbon. This is an Art by Donna collaboration. With love, light, and pink beyond the ribbon.